This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and warm welcome to issue 17 of Building Optimus Prime from Transformers. We're doing a repeat episode this one, we're doing another wheel. But looking at Seymour Simmons, yeah, I remember him from the films. Started off a bit of a dick, but he got better, he got heroed in the end. Return of the Hero, there we go, yeah. Scorpionok. Nope, doesn't mean anything to me. Target Masters. No, again, no memory of those again. If you do have any memories of these, do let me know in the comments, and you know we can reminisce. That's a space shuttle. I can tell that from that bit. So yeah, don't remember any of those. But yes, the right leg part 8. We're doing exactly the same as last time, putting the wheel together, and yeah, seeing how it goes together, and then attaching it to the leg. So I do need the leg back. Right, let's clear this out of the way and let's get the wheel wheeled. Right, let's go. I have had that in the warm water. It used to be boiling, but it was no longer boiling when I came to put that on there. So I'm hoping that it will still be warm enough to give me. It's more flexible than it was before I put it in the water, shall we say? So hopefully it will be fine. If not, I shall have to reboil my water. Get that back in there again for a little while, but I'm pretty sure it will be okay. So let's get these in first, and I'm trying to do it quickly. It's going to take ages and not work properly. Slow down. Slow and steady wins the race, not rushing and doing things in a panic. Panic doesn't let anybody win. So that's the last screw in there. Get all these tightened, and then find out if my plan with heating that worked, or if I do need to reheat and get it stretchier. I'm fairly confident. On a confidence scale of none to 10, I'm at about a 7. So that 7 is going down a bit as it isn't working. Considering it didn't say that you need to heat the water, that you need to use water at all, I'm a little bit miffed that it's not going on quite as smooth as I had hoped. It's getting there though. It says, with it not really getting there, it's getting there a little bit. Sort of halfway there. Whoa, it's halfway there. Don't push against anything either. All in all, my advice is use hot water. Or use boiling water, but be careful. It does work without, but I've got sore fingers now. So that's that on there again, as it was before on the last one. It's similar again. We pop that on there, and then that over there. But then we continue, because we've already done a bit. We might as well do another bit. We've got to pop this onto there. It does just about fit. Got lots of room, but some. So yeah, there we have another issue completed. Another leg building up. It's obviously got ball joint movement on that. One won't really hinge anymore because that's in the way. But there we go. That is that. Another issue completed. Thank you for joining me. I shall see you soon for more. So stay safe. Bye bye for now.